TAKOM.
TAKOM.
Okay, I've learned something today. I didn't know that's how you pronounced it.
I don't know.
So when you open this kit, it doesn't have interior like the other one. It honestly looks like a little bit of an emptier box, but it is a huge model. Look at this. This is just the turret. The turret is about the size of the last tank I just showed you.
Oh.
This one. Look at that. So the turret will probably build up to about the same size as a Hetzer.
But the box size are very different.
Because that one has all the interior in it.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
That's the tracks, right?
They are. I'm so happy they did this.
Why?
Because this thing has dual tracks on each side, I'm pretty sure.
That's a lot of work.
So that's like 4 lengths of track.
Uh-huh.
And half of it is all the way up in the here. I'll show you in the instructions. Hang on. So this is the biggest gripe modelers have with what am I? This is the biggest gripe that modelers have with this kit. I don't have a personal gripe with it because a couple of us have figured out how to get around it. I've got the old dragon one of this. Half of your track
are hiding
behind this big armored plate. So, like,
save your time.
Save your time. You only really want to build from here to the front where you're going to see it, right? You're not going to see it up in there.
Yeah.
No way. So, the fact that they've just like pre-molded them, so many of them, is perfect because, as you can see as well, I'm just going to go in top camera. Yeah. As you can see, there's one here, one here, one here, and one here. So that would be like twice the amount of track length.
Yeah.
Links, sorry. And it's a longer chassis. So you're probably going to have to do like 300 track links on each side.
Shit.
A regular tank has like 60. So, yeah, there you go. They have honestly really thought about us, modelers, by including this. Now, they are like a rubbery, plasticky texture, but they will do. They look great. And they pin together. They don't like... you use a metal pin through them to hold them together instead of trying to glue them. So you have like little holes on each end to pin them together.
Oh, so it doesn't require the glue to...
No glue. Yeah,
okay.
no glue. Here we have all the suspension parts. This is another huge step and probably will be the biggest step of this kit after painting it. There's your drive sprockets. Look how huge those things are. And you're going to have 8 of them, I suppose. Road wheels. This one, I don't think it comes with a metal barrel. You're just getting the plastic barrel in this one. The real mouse had 2 guns on its breech.
Oh.
Yeah. The top of the hull, side walls, and
that's the...
your instructions. Yeah, this is... I love how they do this. So, Brett, what did you miss? Too much. They're bullying you. They're bullying you in the comment section. Fight back. Defend yourself. I'm not sure what these... Oh, these are the pins for the tracks.
That's...
So they supply you with the pins for the track. You don't need...
What are you laughing at?
The comment. The real mouse was a lot bigger than this one. Yes, it was indeed. It was 35 times bigger. Anyway, you're getting photo etch for your grills on the rear. You're getting the pins for the track. You're getting polycaps for all of your suspension or wheels, I presume. 4 schemes, but this was a prototype version, so you can paint it however you like. You can do a fictitious scheme. You can do, I don't know, any scheme you want, really. Because at the end of the day, this probably wasn't even around, really. I think, at least. I know there was 2 mouses, but they were the other versions. Okay.
Oh, Zoukei-Mura.
I want you to go through this.
What?
Because...
I know nothing about it.
Get excited, guys! Get excited. We have taken delivery of this beautiful brand, Zoukei-Mura.
That Zoukei-Mura.
Zoukei.
Yeah, Zoukei-Mura.
Zoukei.
Zoukei. Yeah, Zoukei-Mura.
I just call it Zoukei-Mura.
I was like, what's that? And then I realized, you might say them. Yeah.
So we'll take a look in these ones, but they are most well known for their big big 30-second scale models. Here we have my
Oh.
personal favorite, the Heinkel 219 Uhu, the owl. And this is absolutely a phenomenal kit. We won't go into it because it's going to take probably the whole evening. But you're getting, like a Gundam, an
Yeah.
internal frame to
Oh.
these models. So you can build it with all the ribs showing, or you can build it with the skin of the fuselage. And you're going to get 1 or 2 schemes in this one, I believe. Fantastic. Absolutely phenomenal model. Put that one back up here so that we can have a look inside of these. Let's start with the smaller one. You get 2 kits in this box.
Oh, 2 kits.
You get 2 kits.
Oh,
This
yeah,
is
yeah.
the-
2 different scales, right?
Yes, you get 72 and 144. So Zoukei-Mura. Whatever. Don't bully me. They majority build, make 30-second scale model kits. But they've got a couple others out on the market, which we're going to look at this. Their 172 and 144 scale kit. This is the only one in that range. And then they have 2 or 3 48 scales. Oh, sorry. They have probably 8 or 9 48 scales, but they have the Phantoms.
Oh, the
The
Phantoms.
F4
Yeah,
Phantom.
yeah.
So only a couple military ones, like Second World War, but then a heap of Phantoms. And then 30-second scale, they have everything.
Cool.
Like 12 or 13 types of planes.
So they're
Only do
more
planes.
focusing on the 132 scale?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
more focusing on that. The newest release was a Messerschmitt G14 in 32. So, inside the box,
Ooh.
you're met with your 144 scale one on 1 sprue.
So all in one sprue.
All in 1 sprue for the 144 scale one.
Hoo-hoo.
So that's everything you need to build the 144 scale one, which is a nice little kit. And then we're going to go through with the wings and the wheelbase over here. The inner frame parts. Oh, that's landing gear.
Oh, okay.
Wheels. Your engine cowls. The body of the aircraft, top
okay.
and bottom.
Yeah.
So that would be the top, and this will be the bottom, and that's the rear. A single slide piece molded nose for the aircraft,
Hoo-hoo.
which is really nice. You're going to get a lot of detail in that.
Yeah.
2 pieces of clear parts, one for 144, one for 172. And then all of your internal framing so that you can make the skeleton version, the skeletal version of the kit.
Can we actually make like a half skeleton half?
Yeah,
Oh, really?
Yeah, you absolutely could.
Oh, that's gonna be pretty cool.
Engines for the 72 scale one, cockpit parts and more gear parts, and pretty much your wings already come assembled with the fuel tanks in them. The 30-second scale one, you have to build it all separately, but this one, the fuel tanks are all already in there. So absolutely phenomenal. Here you're getting decals to make whatever version you want, pretty much.
Ooh, that's
you can make
nice.
any one you want in either scale. So 144 on this side, 172 on this side, and you have all of the these are bands for groups of fighter planes. So I don't know which ones they correspond to. I'm not that familiar, but each of these bands corresponds with the color of number for different groups of fighter planes. So you can pretty much make any of the ones that they would have gone to.
Yeah, that's a lot of choices.
A lot of choice.
Yeah.
A lot of choice. Compared to something like this, which I personally have at home, I have one of these Focke-Wulfs. It's the best model of a TAR 152 in the scale on the market.
Yeah.
Phenomenal tooling. I'll put this all back so much. And I'll probably crack into the instructions of that one. And then we'll finish it up. Oh, come on. There we go. What do you know about this plane, Kawa?
Is that a German?
Yeah.
Oh, it is. It is.
It is. It is German aircraft.
Yeah.
It was a high altitude fighter based off of the Focke-Wulf design.
Yeah.
I get all the plastic out. You can go through the plastic. How's that sound? While I get it ready. And you can tell me what you see.
Oh, that's a. Is that the body? Wait,
No.
is it wing?
Yes.
One side of the wing, right?
One wing.
Oh, one wing. That's another wing, right?
That could be. I think they're mirrored. They're mirrored molds.
Oh,
So
yeah.
they're pretty similar.
Okay. And that's a wheel?
That would be a wheel. Correct.
Oh, it is. And I'm trying to figure out this one. It's like the how's that called?
Landing gear.
Yeah, the landing gear.
Yeah.
And I can't tell more.
Okay, what's the next sprue? Just speed run. What's in here? What's on this one?
That's a body, right?
The fuselage.
And shit, that's too hot. Is that the weapons like the boomers?
No,
No.
I don't think I see a single weapon on this sprue.
Okay.
This is the front cowling.
Uh-huh.
That is the midsection of the fuselage.
Yeah.
That is the tail of the aircraft. This is the belly of the underside of the aircraft, and that is the top cowling where the guns go. But there's no guns in this version there.
All right.
Because it was saving on weight.
Uh-huh.
That is your turbo inlet.
That's a turbo, right?
And then you have oxygen tanks.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and you have body panels for the medic kit and the radio compartment.
Mhm.
Foot plate. I think that's a radio. What's next?
Oh.
Come on, this is an easy one. What's this?
That's the cockpit. What's that called? I don't know that.
The canopy. This is the canopy.
Yeah,
the canopy.
yeah.
Yep.
And is that a skeleton for the?
Yeah, the wings. That's the wing skeleton part.
Also, it also includes a skeleton.
Yes, it does. This one does. Correct.
That's pretty cool. And like more interiors. That's like the emergency
Emergency
kit or something.
The emergency survival kit.
Yeah. Is it?
Which one? This one?
Yeah. Is it?
No.
No. What's that?
It's a fuel tank.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a fuel tank.
Oh, okay.
What's this part?
It looks like a no idea.
The cockpit.
Oh, that's the cockpit.
That's the cockpit floor.
Oh, that's a floor of okay, that makes sense. Okay.
That's the tail wheel.
What's that one?
That is where the gear go in here. So the landing gear, they sit in there.
Oh, okay.
They fold up into this part, which is just on the bottom of the wing spars. It'd go on this part here.
Oh, okay.
Last one. What's this one? You know this one, right?
So that's
what?
That's a fan.
It's the fan.
No, I don't know the word, but I know where it goes. Yeah.
Guys, it's the fan. I'm not a fan of this. Not a fan of whatever that was.
What's that called?
All right, it's the propeller.
Oh, okay.
We got the propeller there. I'll quickly go through this one. Engine block, fuel lines, fuel injectors, the brace for the engine, like the mount for the engine. Here you have a cannon, 20 or 30 millimeter cannon, turbocharger, supercharger, exhaust stacks, cowling.
Oh, that's called cowling.
Positioned closed or open, and yeah.
Oh.
Quick, let's go through here. We have got the decal sheet.
Yep.
Look at that. You can pretty much do this one in all schemes as well.
Yeah.
That you want to do. Different serial numbers down here. Different identification codes.
So
this is the scheme that comes in the kit, number 9.
Oh.
That is a well-known scheme, usually in most boxes. You got spirals for the nose.
Oh,
that's just paint them by hand. Yeah. So that's that. Color call out. Here we go. Assembling the cockpit. All doing up here. There's no photo etch in this kit, I believe. It's all plastic. So super detailed model without photo etch. Putting the engines together. Putting all that together. Placing it onto the bulkhead. You have to at least do one side of the fuselage, I believe, if you want to do if you wanted to show it in the skeleton configuration, which I think it just yeah. Here we have the wing spars going in. You don't have to glue them in if you don't want, if you want to have it like the skeleton. So the wing's now on. We're going into the cowling. So that is it popping on there. You can position open or closed, as I said.
Yep.
Horizontal stabilizers. You can position this open, I believe. There was a spring for the tail wheel that you can see.
Yep.
This is how you assemble the tail wheel. It has to be twisted in.
Oh, need to be twisted.
Yeah, the hydraulics for it and the gear bay door on both sides. It gives you the angles that you have to position it at. Approximately 65 degrees angle there and 90 degrees horizontal on this one. Oh, this one is different by the looks of it. There's two different angles. Interesting. Flaps, you can position them down or up. Your prop going on. All the dash going in with the canopy and the rear bulkhead parts, pitot tubes, all the sensors, and you have a complete model. This is the painting guide here and a completed model here for your viewing. There you go. What do you reckon?
Seems like a good starting point on doing the
A starter of what?
like if you want to do like weekend project or something.
A weekend project?
Is it? No, not really.
This one, no, it's very involved.
Oh, okay.
This will be multiple weekends.
All right.
That was the other one we looked at.
Ah.
Edward. We got some Edward back in, so that's been long anticipated as well. The Edward profile packs, which are the detailed ones, and the weekend editions. So yeah. This one very involved.
Okay.
Lots of parts.
So it's like requiring a lot of like high skill levels or something. Yeah.
I'd say it's intermediate.
Okay.
Intermediate level of a kit. So not designed for like a beginner, but if you are wanting something super specific, if you're wanting to have a lot of fun going into heaps of detail, this is the kit to start off with for something like that. Level above a Tamiya, lots of detail, push you to your limits, go really hard, have fun with the model. Color.